Hi, I've been away for quite some time, I know, and I do apologise for not keeping you updated, but we're in hashtag or phase 4 of this property refurbishment. It's slow, but I am in Spain. I can't even tease you and wait till the end of the video. Here's my new front door. As you can see, it's not fitted yet. As well as showing you the small changes that have happened to the property, I want to take you on my small trip to Seville, where I went to a restro/antique market to buy some typical Andalusian accessories for the house.
The kitchen is still steadily progressing. The worktops have had 3 coats of varnish, and the kitchen walls and dining room walls still need painting. A nice light beige, I think I'm going to do. I'm even thinking of painting the ceiling light beige too. I always like to stick to a colour scheme of 10% accent colour, 30% the next darkest colour, and 60% the main colour. For that reason, I can't go too crazy on this lovely blue. So the chair went from this to the reupholstered chair. How nice is this? I've just got to still, one of them's in getting done now, and I've got to take the other 2 because I can't fit too much in my car. This fabric is absolutely gorgeous. It's just so soft. Now that chair was for this table, but I'm just not sure about having things too matchy-matchy. So I've put these chairs with it for now. And the other one's just as an occasional chair for the office. Oh gosh, I'm quite exhausted. The garden needs titivating, but right now I'm carrying up tiles for the patio. So much rain, I've had to cover my Moroccan table there. Tiles. I'm out of breath because I've just been running up the hill with them all. Don't look at the pool, it's filthy. So 15 boxes of tiles from the car up to here. So yeah, I'm canny goosed. For those of you that never saw the original videos, I just want to show you this so you know where the patio is in relation to the kitchen. Dios mío. Mucho mejor sin la chimenea. So I'm coming back from UK, Darlington, as a matter of fact. I came back to horrendous weather in Spain. The builders had to call off because of the rain, but the patio, the building's down, and oh my gosh, it's looking so much better. So in the future, I'm looking at extending this little block that's been added on here, like to the edge, so that make the bathroom bigger. And then this one, this is the downstairs bathroom, which I want to extend into here. I think I explained this in one of the first videos. So close this in and take that wall down to open up the bathroom. I put the spice rack up and bought the ones with the wooden lids so that I can label them all, and they are all nicely matching. What else? I got some blue utensils to match. That's my dinner on. I think you may have seen the fridge on the last video. I can't remember, but I'm loving it. I think my favourite thing out of everything that I bought is this. I absolutely adore it. Coasters. Maybe I'll put the link to where I bought it from in the comments. From the market in Seville, this flamenco lady I adore. She cost only €5. Another Mercado de Sevilla purchase, Seville market purchase. And some lovely pomegranate plates. I find the best way for a straight edge is to wet the needle line first and then cut into it with a wide brush. I do get asked about paint colours, but unfortunately the colour doesn't seem to be written on the tin. It's from Aquamas near Priego de Cordoba, and where I live. And sorry, if you do live in the area, you could use the codes to get the same colour. I'm back at the scrapyard for the raw tie-in for the patio. Let's have a look what I can see on this rainy day. So I came in to look at raw tie-in, but I am needing windows. So these are fabulous. She's going to send me the price. This is what I've got my eye on. Can you see? It's like balconies, the raw tie-in of balconies that I could use for the patio. How nice is this for a window? The raw tie-in grill already attached to the frame. It's beautiful. Honestly, I love it in here. My uncle used to have a scrapyard and I used to always wonder what the attraction was, why my dad always went there for cups of tea. I now understand. I'm at too old to stay in a pod at 54. Yep, I stayed in a pod with all the youngsters. I got down with the kids in Seville. Let me show you. €25 a night. You have somebody above you and a locker opposite to it like a normal hotel. And then there's separate showers and toilets, so you do need to get up and climb out of it in the night. I was a bit worried that I wouldn't be able to open the door. There's just a little silver button that you press. There it is, you can just see it. And this is the door. It has all the mod cons of USB sockets and a mini bar, as you can see, and a safe. I mean, they do say that spring is the time to visit Seville based on the smell of the orange blossom. And look, I mean, the streets are just lined densely with orange trees. Now to shop at the market, which is on every Thursday in the centre of Seville. I came here to try and find some typical Andalusian style decoration for the house. Spanish wall tiles are called azulejos. Azul meaning blue, and most of them in the olden times had blue designs on, hence the name azulejos or azulejos, depending on which part of Spain you're from.
¿Lo deja ahí para llegar a la barqueta?
Digo. I love to see a sewing machine, as I do love a bit of sewing. And flamenco dresses just dotted about on the old style, they're just absolutely stunning. And it's a great place to sit and people watch. You can sit, see the cafes in the background, sitting in the sun, watching the world go by. ¿Qué precio tiene el abanico, el espejo? Oh. El espejo, el abanico, ¿qué precio tiene?
30 y 25.
30 y 25. So I'm buying the fan, the €30 one for €25. Always wanted one of those.
Bolsa.
Sí. I love this big picture. The mushrooms of Seville. I've just come across them by pure chance. Can't really miss them. It's not ferry time in Seville, however I think this is a photo shoot for a flamenco dress shop. I'm just going to finish the video by showing you a lovely little corner that I found. I thought it was absolutely stunning.
Now, Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully the next video won't take too long so I can show you the finished patio. If you want to update, if you haven't seen the other 3 videos, particularly the first one to see the house as it was when I moved in, then I've just added this link here for you to click straight into the playlists.